is back to talk oil with us. Interesting market oil. I still like it long. Ainsley, how about you?
Look, yeah, I do. It's not what we wanted for the last couple of weeks, but I guess we would do a bit of a pullback, won't we? Really, Paul. As we can see here on the 4-hourly chart, look at the volatility. I think Geoff would be really, really, really happy with what we had here. And it's just been really fundamentally driven this week. So as you can see, we've had that movement within a tight range. And initially it was the extension of the lockdown and the cessation of the AstraZeneca being administered because of blood clot concerns and all the rest of it. And then there was a bit of a blip back up again on some optimism with I can't remember what it was. It's just been there's just been a lot of stuff coming back in, and then we had inventories that were taking it back down again, and then we had the sewer story that was pumping back up again, pumped it straight back up again. And what that was with the sewer situation was 10% of the world's oil, because you just sort of think, oh, okay, there's a lot of trade going through, but 10% of the world's oil is transported through the Suez Canal. So when they're just sitting there and the prices are actually, the cost of transportation is going through the roof, which obviously is passed on, and there will be penalty clauses, etc. But as Julian said, very unfortunate to have a slightly large tanker go sideways. 20,000 cubic meters of sand they have to move to get that little puppy back floating down the stream again. So that's quite a bit there going on. But we've got this huge consolidation. I know Ash was talking about a head and shoulders, but we've also come back down. If you look on the daily, we're back down in this neck of the woods where it's a really, really strong level. So we just have to see how this goes at the moment, because the point of with a good strong consolidation, as we've seen with gold, the move normally out of weeks and weeks and weeks of consolidation with gold, as opposed to pretty much this week that we've had with anything that slightly moves the market. Oil's hanging on to that and being very, very sensitive to a move, but within constraints. So that's what we're looking at. I'm looking for a bit more of a move to the north side. We've got an OPEC meeting happening on the 1st of April, and fingers crossed that we're going to have that whole keep the restriction happening on the quotas. They've been talking about lifting those. But as I said, common sense has really prevailed over the last couple of OPEC plus meetings, and that'll help that move it along. So that's what we're looking for. 1st of April, end of the month. Seasonals, we're looking at a bit more of a consolidation, and then April on a seasonal chart, we're looking at a tiny swing up before a bit of a move back down again during the rest of the month. But that's what we've got to go with. Like I said, just be very, very, very wary of trading oil at the moment. Very sensitive to fundamentals. As you can see, it's just moving it from one side of that range to the other really, really quickly. So hold on to your hat, basically. And that's it for oil. Nothing terribly exciting. And no, I did not make $60 million on oil this month, or even the last 6 months on oil, but we'll see how we go. But just be patient with this one.
Yeah, I agree. I did get down and test my entry area a little while ago, but I do remain in the patient mind with oil, looking for end of year to see where it's going to be. And it started quite a long seasonal move up, isn't it, for oil? Thanks for that,